The liberal commentariat of this country should be utterly ashamed. They have villainized the Michaela School. They have villainized its head teacher, ladies and gentlemen. But, ladies and gentlemen, have they kicked up a song and a dance about the fact that public expressions of Christianity are illegal in Saudi Arabia? Have they kicked up a song and a dance over the fact that there are countless Muslims in this country that think you should be killed for converting from Islam to Christianity? No, they haven't. They haven't villainized those Muslims. Why?
Why?
Because anyone who does villainize those despicable, those disgusting Muslims who support killing Christians for leaving Islam, they call them Islamophobic. But, ladies and gentlemen, the liberals are villainizing the Michaela School for banning Salat. And this brings me on to my next point, ladies and gentlemen. The crocodile tears of the Muslim commentariat. Those Muslims who are condemning the Michaela School. What hypocrites you all are. What vile, disgusting, despicable hypocrites you are. Because you say that the Michaela School is Islamophobic for banning Salat, when you try to justify killing Christians for leaving Islam. You support apostasy laws in Islam that result in the actual deaths of Christians. Ladies and gentlemen, let me just point out to you the number of countries in the world where it is illegal, ladies and gentlemen, to convert to Christianity if you are a Muslim. Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan, Malaysia, Mauritania, the Maldives, Pakistan, parts of Nigeria, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Somalia, Sudan, United Arab Emirates and Yemen. Ladies and gentlemen, you Muslims who are condemning as Islamophobic the decision of the Michaela School to ban Salat, I say you are Christophobes and you are Christophobic and your religion encourages you to be so. I do not care about your crocodile tears. I don't care about your hypocrisy and double standards. And I don't need to receive lectures, and neither does anyone in the West need to receive lectures about Islamophobia from people who justify murdering Christians because they left Islam. I want to say to you, why aren't you condemning Saudi Arabia, where the mere demonstration of a cross or where public prayer is illegal in the entire country of Saudi Arabia? And you have nothing to say about it, and neither does the liberal virtue signaling hypocrites of our liberal mainstream media.